Once a towering figure in the music industry, Diddy Combs now finds himself at the center of a storm of legal battles and public scrutiny, from explosive allegations of sexual misconduct to federal charges that could reshape his legacy. The story unfolding is nothing short of astonishing. In this video, we delve deep into the complexities of Diddy's legal challenges, examining the allegations, the evidence, and the impact on his career. Stay tuned as we unpack the latest developments and what they mean for the mogul's future. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this evolving story. Diddy Combs, a prominent figure in the music industry, is currently embroiled in a series of legal challenges that have significantly impacted his personal and professional life. These challenges encompass numerous civil lawsuits, federal charges, and widespread public scrutiny. Background: Diddy Combs, born on November 4th, 1969 in New York City, has been a pivotal figure in the music industry for over 3 decades. As the founder of Bad Boy Records in the early 1990s, he played a crucial role in shaping the hip-hop genre, launching the careers of artists such as the Notorious B.I.G., Mace, and Faith Evans. His debut album No Way Out, 1997, received critical acclaim, earning him the Grammy Award for Best Rap Album. Throughout his career, Combs has amassed multiple Grammy Awards and numerous chart-topping hits, solidifying his status as a music mogul. However, in recent years, Combs' illustrious career has been overshadowed by a series of serious allegations. Beginning in late 2023, former associates, including his ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura, filed lawsuits accusing him of sexual assault, harassment, and abuse spanning several decades. These allegations have led to significant professional repercussions, with brands and institutions severing ties with him. In September 2024, Combs was arrested and indicted on charges of racketeering, sex trafficking by force, and transportation for purposes of prostitution. He remains incarcerated at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, awaiting trial scheduled for May 5th, 2025. Combs and his legal team have consistently denied all allegations, characterizing them as meritless and attempts at extortion, civil lawsuits, and allegations. The legal troubles for Combs began to surface prominently in late 2023. On November 16th, 2023, his former girlfriend Cassie Ventura filed a lawsuit accusing him of rape, sex trafficking, and physical abuse spanning a decade. The following day, the lawsuit was dismissed after Combs and Cassie reportedly reached an undisclosed settlement. Subsequently, 2 additional lawsuits were filed on November 23rd, 2023, alleging sexual assault and the distribution of non-consensual explicit material. One of these suits claimed that in the early 1990s, Combs and singer Aaron Hall sexually abused a woman, recording the incident without her consent. In May 2024, surveillance footage emerged showing Combs physically assaulting Cassie at a Los Angeles hotel in 2016. This revelation led to public apologies from Combs, who acknowledged that his actions were inexcusable. By October 2024, reports indicated that a team of lawyers was preparing to file up to 120 additional lawsuits, detailing assaults from the 2000s and 2010. These allegations involve both male and female victims, with 25 of them being minors. Many victims claim to have reported the incidents to authorities or medical professionals, while others alleged attempts to suppress their accounts through hush money. Federal charges. The gravity of the allegations escalated when on September 16, 2024, Combs was arrested and indicted in the Southern District of New York. The charges included racketeering, sex trafficking by force, and transportation for purposes of prostitution. The indictment described Combs as engaging in a persistent and pervasive pattern of abuse toward women and other individuals. Following his arrest, Combs was denied bail on multiple occasions. Judges expressed concerns over potential witness intimidation and the risk of flight. He has remained incarcerated at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, with his trial scheduled to commence on May 5th, 2025. Recent developments. In March 2025, a judge dismissed racketeering claims in one of the civil lawsuits against Combs. However, other charges, including those related to sexual assault, remain active. Additionally, a lawsuit filed by an anonymous accuser was dismissed after she failed to refile under her real name, as mandated by the court. Tony Busby, the attorney representing the accuser, stated intentions to continue pursuing similar cases against Combs. Furthermore, Combs filed a $50 million defamation lawsuit lawsuit against Courtney Burgess, her attorney Ariel Mitchell, and Nexstar Media Inc., the operator of News Nation. The lawsuit alleges false claims of Combs' involvement in sexual misconduct, which were purportedly supported by Mitchell and broadcasted by News Nation. Impact on career and public perception. The mounting legal issues have taken a toll on Combs' professional endeavors. Several organizations and business partners have distanced themselves from him. Hulu, for instance, canceled his reality show, and he sold his majority stake in Revolt TV in March 2025 after stepping down as chairman. Additionally, Howard University rescinded his honorary degree and returned his donations. Public opinion has been sharply divided. While some continue to support Combs, believing the allegations to be unfounded, others view the numerous accusations as indicative of a broader pattern of misconduct. The ongoing legal proceedings are being closely watched, with many awaiting the trial to uncover the full extent of the allegations. Combs' response. Sean Diddy Combs and his legal team have consistently denied all allegations against him, labeling them as meritless and suggesting they are attempts at extortion. In response to a lawsuit filed by an anonymous accuser, a judge dismissed the case after the plaintiff failed to reveal her identity, highlighting Combs' commitment to clearing his name. Facing multiple lawsuits and criminal charges, including sex trafficking and racketeering, Combs maintains his innocence and is determined to prove it in court. His defense strategy involves challenging the credibility of accusers and highlighting perceived inconsistencies in their claims. As legal proceedings continue, Combs remains focused on clearing his name and restoring his reputation. Looking ahead, as the trial date approaches, the legal landscape surrounding Sean Diddy Combs remains complex and fluid. The outcomes of the various lawsuits and federal charges will have significant implications not only for Combs, but also for the broader entertainment industry, which continues to grapple with issues of misconduct and accountability. Observers and stakeholders await further developments, anticipating that the trial will shed light on the veracity of the numerous allegations and set a precedent for handling such cases in the future. Sean Diddy Combs' legal saga is unfolding with new developments, including the recent dismissal of a lawsuit due to procedural issues. As the trial date approaches, the music mogul's future remains uncertain. For the latest updates on this evolving story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think lies ahead for Sean Diddy Combs?